Drugs are, well, they are what they are. They can make you see what's unseen, imagine the unimaginable, and get you really high. What's the most awesome drug? Is it heroin? Yeah, Katrina is my favorite. Just kidding. It starts with M, and let me tell you, Walter White was a great man. Oh, that methylene. However, I am not talking about that either. I am talking about the one that can give you anything you want. Not just crazy hallucination, but can make your dreams a reality. Can you guess what it is? Come on. I am talking about show me the money. Yeah, money. That's one hell of a drug. And stock market is the largest place where it's dealt. Trillions, yup. Trillion with an S is traded daily in the stock markets around the world. And I meant trillions of dollars, which may be near quadrillion rupees, maybe. How does so much money flows in the stock market? Simple. There are agents who know the secret to make 1 lakh rupees per day with just 1000 rupees of investment. You just need to find them and boom.
21 दिन में पैसा डबल.
If only it was that easy. Oh, the world high on money. Then there are those who really want to make money by learning how the stock market works. Do you want to learn? I knew it. You are the hardworking and smart working type. Great. I will digress from the topic time to time, but have faith. Watch till the end, and I promise, in the end, you will be able to connect the dots looking backward. You will know everything about the stock market, and quick summary in the end. So, here's the story of our imaginary company called Popo. Popo? What kind of a name is that? Why did you choose that name? Because I wanted to, and nobody cares. Anyway, they need money. Yeah, they are an addict too. Popo is worth 1 lakh rupees, so they divide the company in 1000 portions, which we will call as shares. They keep 500 shares with themselves and sell each of the rest 500 shares to the general public for 100 rupees each. Now Popo is a great company and I also wanna get rich.
But Funvestor, money doesn't make you rich. It's how happy you are and satisfaction and blah blah blah.
I disagree. There's no novelty in being poor. So I decided to buy 10 shares of Popo. Now you are already rich. You have 10 shares of Popo worth rupees 1000, which you want to sell to me. But say you don't trust me, which you should. Anyway, you don't sadly. At least drop a like and subscribe to my channel. That will help me to make and keep improving these videos and posting great content for you. Come on, let's go to the stock market and make a deal. Since we are participating in the stock market, so we are also known as market participants. I'm gonna get a bit serious now, cause money is a serious business. I need money to buy shares from you. Yeah. You need some money to make more money there. That's how it works. Anyway, this money is in my bank account, which will get transferred to your bank account after the transaction. So remember, the first thing which we need is a bank account. We got the money in place, but we also need a platform through which we can see the latest share price and place the order. Basically, a platform for trading where all different companies are listed, their share price, charts and various other latest information is available. This is called a stock exchange. They facilitate trading activities and definitely you need a trading account for trading, of course. A trading account is used to place buy or sell orders in the stock market. After I have bought the shares, I need a place to store those shares. It's not like Popo will transfer a portion of the entire business in your name. That's not gonna happen. Rather, one gets a share certificate saying they are a part owner of this business. Your shares are stored in another account in electronic form or in the form of dematerialized share certificates, which is also called as demat. Now, you need to transfer those share certificates in my name. I paid you for this and now you can't run away. You shouldn't. Please don't. For transferring money, you had a bank. Similarly, for transferring shares, you have something called depository. Imagine a depository as a vault for all your shares held in the electronic form. For bank, you had a bank account. Similarly, for shares, you had a demat account, which, as I mentioned, is stored in the depository. Now, what's the guarantee that everything goes well even after placing the order? Luckily, there is a guarantee. which is provided by a clearing corporation. Their job is to make sure the transaction is successful by identifying the buyer and seller, confirming the order, making sure the money to you and the shares to me are delivered as promised.
Hey Funvestor, wait, where is the stockbroker? I trade using stockbroker. Where is he?
Well, now you know each of the integral components, so let's quickly join the dots and understand the full picture. There can be multiple buyers and multiple sellers in the stock market, which are known as market participants. One need to link their bank accounts to transfer money while trading. These traders are facilitated through the members of the stock market, which are depositories, stock exchanges and clearing corporations. Now, in stock market, as I already mentioned, the transactions are huge. So each of these core members appoint other members, depository participants, trading members and clearing members to manage these trades. Now we, the market participants, interact with these members and not directly with the core members. Also, we never know whom we are trading with, which means a buyer never gets to know who the seller is and vice versa. That's known only to the members of a stock market.
But Funvestor, where the hell is broker?
A broker can take all these three memberships simultaneously. You will need to open a trading and demat account with your broker. Some brokers also give a facility to open a bank account with them. Otherwise, choose a bank account of your choice. So just place the order with your broker and boom, everything else happens in the background in a blink of an eye. Blink of an eye, you say? Not really. It takes some time for the entire process. Technically 2 days to get the shares delivered. But then how does high frequency trading and how does one trade so frequently? Come on, I cannot tell everything in one video. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I will keep posting new videos and I promise you will learn everything or everything I can teach. Till then, thank you and see you next time.